Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet project requirements. The project management profession is growing rapidly. It is both a science and an art, and follows a systematic process. Project management is the discipline of planning, organizing, securing, managing, leading, and controlling resources to achieve specific goals, and as such requires the development of distinct technical skills and management strategies. Project management is the application of knowledge, skills, tools, and techniques to project activities to meet the project requirements. This application of knowledge requires the effective management of appropriate processes. Projects are composed of processes where a process is a set of interrelated actions and activities performed to achieve a pre-specified product, result, or service. Each process is characterized by its inputs, the tools and techniques that can be applied to process the input, and the resulting outputs. In order for a project to be successful, the project team must select appropriate processes required to meet the project objectives. This standard describes the nature of project management processes in terms of the integration between the processes, their interactions, and the purposes they serve. Project management processes are grouped into 5 categories known as project management process groups, or process groups. Initiating processes, recognizing that a project or phase should begin and committing to do so. Planning processes, devising and maintaining a workable scheme to accomplish the business need that the project was undertaken to address. Executing processes, coordinating people and other resources to carry out the plan. Controlling processes, ensuring that project objectives are met by monitoring and measuring progress and taking corrective action when necessary. Closing processes, formalizing acceptance of the project or phase and bringing it to an orderly end. Most experienced project management practitioners recognize there is more than one way to manage a project. The required process groups and their constituent processes are guides for applying appropriate project management knowledge and skills during the project. The application of the project management processes is iterative, and many processes are repeated during the project. The integrative nature of project management requires the monitoring and controlling process group to interact with the other process groups, as shown in the figure. Project management process groups are linked by the output they produce. The output of one process generally becomes an input to another process or is a deliverable of the project. The process groups are seldom either discrete or one-time events. They are overlapping activities that occur throughout the project. The planning process group provides the executing process group with the project management plan and project documents, and, as the project progresses, it often entails updates to the project management plan in the project documents. In addition, since management of the project is a finite effort, the initiating process group begins the project, and the closing process group ends it. A figure illustrates how the process groups interact and shows the level of overlap at various times. If the project is divided into phases, the process groups interact within each phase.